Good morning, students. Again, I am here to teach you history of class 9th that is going on. I have explained three parts of chapter number 2 in history class 9th. In earlier part number 3, I had told you that one group in Russia that was called Bolshevik, they had controlled maximum buildings, maximum institutions of the government with the help of military power. What happened after that in Russia? It means what happened after the revolution of October 1917 in Russia. So many changes have been observed in Rus after October 1917, and these changes we are going to discuss over them. We will cover most of the parts in this clip. See here, three headings are here. Actually, in book these headings have not been given. I have written for your convenience. Whenever we read any paragraph, it is necessary for us to divide the paragraph according to the main headings. What are the things given in the paragraphs? As I have told you that after the possession of many buildings in Rus, many institutions in Rus by Bolsheviks, all things came under their effect. When they occupied maximum things in Rus, they introduced so many measures in Russia also. I will like to explain them sequentially. First of all, as you know, Bolshevik, they wanted to redistribute the land among the farmers. This is the well-known fact to you. Bolsheviks, they totally opposed the private property. Means they did not like to give any property to individuals, to private sector. They were opposed to the concentration of property into the hands of few people. And they did another work also in Rus. They nationalized all the national banks in 1970, and they took over the whole property of the country. These steps which I am telling you, these steps have been taken by the Bolshevik, and they also enforced the people to the partition of the houses. What is the meaning of the partition of the houses? Means because population was increasing, if in family more than 5 or 6 persons would be there, it is necessary to give accommodation to each member of the family. So according to requirement, Bolshevik wanted the partition of the houses also according to the requirement of that people, of the people in their houses. And all the titles of that time, such as aristocrat, this type of title, they have been banned that time. One interesting work was done also, was uniform had been given to the army men and the officers of the government. Unique uniform was suggested, was given to the army men and the officers. This Bolshevik group, which was an aggressive group, this group was renamed as the Russian Communist Party in 1917. These steps were there. They had been taken by Bolshevik group. Another fact is also given there. Bolshevik went in the elections also. The elections which were conducted in the year of 1918 and 1919. Unfortunately, Bolshevik did not gain any popularity or majority in the elections. And you know, when a new government comes, this new government generally it changes the steps taken by the previous government. So the new assembly rejected when it came in power all the measures which had been taken by the Bolshevik leaders. But the new government, the new assembly could not run more. It had to leave because after some time Russian Communist Party again gained popularity in the country. Now Russia had become one state party, one party state. Means in the country only one party will be surviving. Other parties, they became inferior to Bolshevik party. So you are seeing here Bolsheviks, they gained popularity in Rus. So many other things also have been done by the Bolshevik leaders. All the trade unions of the country, they had to come under the control of Russian Communist Party, that was the Bolshevik party. These were the changes there. It means all the unions in trade, in business and other workers, they had been enforced to come to work under the Bolshevik party and you can say Russian Communist Party. Some people in society, like educated people, others, they decided to support Russian Communist Party. In Rus, when it was seen that all things have come under the control of Bolshevik party, different categories of society like educated, liberals or school teachers, advocates, they decided to support Bolshevik party. Why they decided to support Bolshevik party? Because Russian Communist Party or Bolshevik party, it was the only party that time which was surviving in the country. But I have told you so many times, whenever any dissatisfaction prevails in any country, it leads to revolution. Or if revolution does not happen, definitely civil war can start. It depends upon the satisfaction or dissatisfaction of the citizens. Some people did not like the measures which had been taken by Bolshevik party in Rus. These changes you are seeing here, they have been done after October 1907 in Rus. What has been done by the non-Bolshevik people who were not liking the measures adopted by Bolshevik party in Rus? What they have done? When this information has been sent to the borders, to the army men, that in the villages distribution of land would be done, because this was the stand of Bolshevik party, that land should be redistributed among the people who do not have land. Simply those soldiers who were appointed at the borders, they took leave and reached to their villages. They were in hope that they would also have the land for their survival in life. So they reached towards their villages. And those people who were non-Bolshevik, the people who were not supporting Bolsheviks, they tried to oppose this act. There may be any thinking with non-Bolshevik people, they did not like to give land to the people. And this thing, when they thought that land should not be given to the common people in the country, conflict started against the non-Bolsheviks. At one hand, Bolsheviks were there. They wanted to give land to the farmers. At the other hand, non-Bolshevik people who did not like the policies of Bolshevik party, they opposed this type of act. Actually, those people who called themselves socialist, who called themselves Tsarist, pro-Tsarist, means the people who followed Tsar, the earlier ruler of Rus, the followers of that king, they opposed the policy of Bolshevik party. What happened then? Non-Bolshevik people who were starting civil war in Rus, actually they were supported by America, France, Britain and Japan. These countries were supporting these non-Bolshevik people. One question may come in your mind. Revolution was going on in Rus, but the foreign countries like America, France, Britain, Japan, why they were taking initiative? Why they were taking interest? One important reason was there. What reason was there? Actually, these countries which I am telling you, America, Japan, Britain and France, they are the capitalist country. They do not like to establish socialism in the country. They want to have the resources, the property in the hands of some people. They do not like to support this type of distribution of land among the farmers. This was the reason when non-socialist people, non-Bolshevik people, they started civil war against the Bolshevik people, America, France, Britain and Japan. They supported these groups in the country. This was the happening which have taken place in Rus in 1970. Non-Bolshevik people, it means the people who did not like to give land to the farmers. They tried to seize the land which was to be given to the farmers. And fortunately, because this work of non-Bolshevik, it was not liked by the common people of the country. The people of Rus, they did not like the way in which non-socialist or non-Bolshevik were thinking. They became unpopular in the country. Fortunately, it gave benefit to Bolshevik party. Some parts of Rus, they had been occupied by non-Bolshevik people, but after some time, Bolshevik party or Russian Communist Party controlled maximum Russian empire. In this work, for occupying different parts of Rus or maximum part of Russian empire, in this type of work, Bolshevik party was supported by the nationalist people, the Muslims, which were called then Jadidis. Jadidis were those people who were the scholar of Islamic culture, educated people of Islamic culture. They supported the work of Bolshevik party, and the result, Bolshevik party got control over many parts of Rus. It happened after the 1917 revolution in Rus. Another thing has been given here in your book, that is making in a socialist society. What is the meaning of this line? Actually, Bolshevik, they wanted to prove that if people work in a collective manner means if all the people do the work collectively for the interest of the country, definitely country will gain development. People will gain benefit of these types of measures in the country. So this was the reason Bolshevik became successful to prove that this is the effect of collective work, collective effort, and this is called cooperative society. Next thing, after gaining power, after gaining control over maximum part of Russian Communist Party, that I am calling Bolshevik Party, it started to reconstruct the country again. How? It started to make planning for the development of the country. As in our country, 5-year plan goes on. After every 5 years, we determine the important things for the country. Just at the same manner, Bolshevik Party also accepted the way to develop the country according or through the 5-year plan. So 5-year planning was introduced. Next thing, after doing this thing, government tried to fix the rates of prices inside the market for the growth of industries. If prices are fixed, it will provide stability in the market. It will provide benefit to the consumers, to the common people. They will not face any problem inside the country. Next work has been done. What? Construction of buildings, construction of road was started. What was the benefit of the construction of the road? When construction was done, so many people became successful to get employment, and employment is the utmost requirement of the country. So Bolshevik Party, it started construction of the roads, of the buildings, and many other things. It gave employment to the workers. Schooling system, it was also improved. Well-maintained classes have been introduced. Of that time, whatever manner was there that time, in that manner, schools were improved, and public health facility, it was made very well in society. For everybody, health system was provided. For everybody, health facilities were available. In this way, workers of Rus, laborers of Rus, students of Rus, they have been given better facilities that time by the Bolshevik Party, that was Russian Communist Party. And another thing has been given here in your book, well-maintained quarters for the workers who were passing their maximum time inside any industry. They had been given quarters also for their living purpose. Dear students, in 3 topics you have seen so many things. You have to revise the paragraph, you have to prepare the question according to paragraph, and you should try to answer yourself. I would like to give you 2 or 3 questions from this part. One question may be there, that what steps were taken by the Bolshevik Party in Rus? Number 1, what steps were taken to improve the condition of Rus by Bolshevik group, that was also called Russian Communist Party? Was any group there in Rus who opposed these types of measures? What were the reasons of civil war in Rus? What were the reasons of civil war in Rus? And another question may be there, what steps had been taken to make a socialist society in rules. Again I am repeating, what steps have been taken to establish socialist society in Rus? If you see the paragraph, if you read the paragraph seriously, interestingly, you can answer easily. I would like to explain in a short what is the meaning of socialist society. Socialist society is that society where every citizen is measured equally. Every citizen uses the resources of the country equally. In society, there is no disparity. Everybody should be given the benefit given by the government. Very simple. If every citizen is satisfied by the government, by the system, by the society, then there is no possibility of any revolution in the country. Revolution always takes place if any dissatisfaction factor is there in the society. Dear students, in whole you have seen people of rules, workers of rules, educated people of rules, they took initiative to start the revolution in the country for the wrong which was going on, and they changed the country. They proved that if you determine, you can establish the system as you like in the country, and it may be beneficial for its citizens. You revise the paragraph, maybe some difficulty is there, you ask me, you ask your concerned teacher. If any difficulty is there, always I will be solving. Thank you very much.